Tell me about yourself.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself today in front of you. I am Pratik Verma. I am 27 years old. I did my graduation from IIT DAVP in 2019. I did my MBA from DAVP University in 2022 in computer management.
ठीक है.
All these years, I have acquired some skills in technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, as well as in Express.js, MongoDB, and React.js. I have a strength. My strengths are I am self-motivated as well as I am confident person. That's it from us.
ठीक है. What do you know about HTML?
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language which is used to link multiple documents together, as well as it is used to develop web pages.
Structure of web pages. ठीक है. What do you know about table tag?
Table tag is used to create a table in HTML. It consists of various elements like tr, td, and th. They plays a significant role in creating a table. Like tr stands for table row. It is used to create a single row of a table where you can create like heading the data in which you are storing. So for the heading purpose we will use th tag, whereas for td tag it is used to store data in tables.
Okay. What do you know about list in HTML?
List is basically used to group multiple data items together in different ways. Like if you wanted to order them in a form of numerical numbers, you can use the ordered list, or maybe you can change the data from numerical number to alphabetical numbers, or maybe if you wanted to sort the data items into the form of in unordered way, as in if you wanted to take a large number of data, you can use the unordered way, or you can number them. As well as there are other types of lists in HTML, like I would say description list. It is used to describe data items. So there are different ways to the listing of data items in HTML.
Okay. What do you know about form tag in HTML?
Form tag, it is basically used to create a web form in HTML. So form tag contains a lot of methods, attributes, as well as elements to create a form. Basically, form tag starts with the in the initial side you have to specify the form tag, where you can use the attributes like action tag, action attributes, as well as target attributes or method attributes. So it is they played their own purposes, but in form tag you can introduce pages like if you wanted to use the text input types, like for text purposes, or maybe for the email tag. So there are different types of tags, and as well as you can use the tag called label tag. So it is basically used to labelize the input types you have mentioned in the HTML form.
Okay. What do you know about row span and col span?
Row span is basically used to combine two rows of a table into single row, whereas col span is used to combine two columns into a single column.
Okay. What do you know about audio and video tag?
Audio tag is basically used to store or to display or maybe play a audio tag in HTML page. So we will use the audio tag, where we use the source tag to specify the file we are using and the type of the file. Like for example, if you are using the MP3 file, so you will use the type equal to double quotes and audio slash MP3. Just like that, for the video tag, we will use the video tag, as well as to introduce the video tag. So we will use the source tag where we will specify the name of the video file as well as the type of video. Like for example, if you are using the MKV file, so you will use type equal to double quotes video slash MKV or MP4, whatever the file extension it has.
Okay, fine. What is the difference between div and span tag?
Sir, div tag is basically it is a block level element, so it will take it will always take a next line as well as it will take the full width available to itself. Whereas in span tag, it is also used for specifying data into the board, but it is more likely inline level element, so it will take the specified as in the whatever the space it required, and it can be written anywhere in the body type, as in it will not take any new line or anything, so it will you can use span tag anywhere you want.
Okay.
Yes.
I want map tag in on page. You can
Embed.
ये put आप
So-
पुट कर सकते हैं उसको. मैप आप समझ पा रहे हैं ना?
जी.
मैप टैग को अपने पेज पर लगाना है, क्या आप उसको पुट कर सकते हैं?
Yes, we can use it by using the Google Maps. For example, you are taking any location, so you will search on the Google, go to the Google Map, search the location, go for the, if you scroll it down, you will see the option for the share tag. As soon as you click the button, it will open a page where you can see the embed. You can click on the button and copy the URL it shows and paste it on the HTML page or anywhere you wanted to paste it out, and it will show on the web page.
Okay. Okay, fine.